Good morning, students. So, in previous session, we are discussing about inverse of a square matrix. Okay. Now, today I will continue based on inverse of a square matrix to solve some more problems. Now, here problem number 3. Show that the matrix A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix, first row 2, 3, 1, 2. Satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Means A is the matrix. Prove that A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Using this equation to find A inverse. Nodrile, using this equation, equation use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು A inverse find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Don't use the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Find the inverse of a matrix ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can apply that formula. But here using this equation, ಈ equation use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು to find the value of A inverse. Now here first part to prove that A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Look here, given data, let A is a matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix. First row 2, 3, second row 1, 2. Now to prove that A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Now first to find A square. A square is same as A into A. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? What is A matrix? 2, 3, 1, 2 into A matrix 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now multiply those two. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 1, 3. First row by second column. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. Second row by first column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. Second row by second column, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. Okay. So, A square is equal to 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 4, 7. This is A square. Now, take LHS. LHS part, A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0 matrix denoted by 0. Substituting the value. What is A square? 7, 12, 4, 7. Minus 4. A matrix. A matrix given 2, 3, 1, 2. First row 2, 3, 1, 2. Plus I is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, namely 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? Simplify. That is 7, 12, 4, 7 minus. By scalar multiplication, multiply each element of matrix by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Plus 2 cross 2 matrix 1 0 0 1. Right? Observe it. All the matrices having same order. By subtract and adding the corresponding elements, 7 minus 8 plus 1. Next element 12 minus 12 plus 0. Second row 4 minus 4 plus 0. Here 7 minus 8 plus 1. Right? That is equal to 7 minus 8 minus 1 plus 1, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 8 minus 1 plus 1, 0. Observe it. All the elements are 0. That is known as 0 matrix denoted by 0 is equal to RHS. Therefore, first part is over. Therefore, A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. First part is over. Correct? Second part ಏನಿದೆ? Using this equation, ಯಾವುದು? ಈ equation use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, using that equation find A inverse. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A inverse ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ so that operate or multiply equation 1 by ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು? A inverse. ಅದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Look here, A inverse into A square minus 4A inverse into A plus A inverse into I is equal to 0. ಎಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A inverse of that value, remove that bracket, A inverse into A square minus 4 into A inverse into A plus A inverse into I is equal to 0. Okay, this implies A inverse A square can be written as A into A, baribodala, because A into A is nothing but A square, minus 4A inverse into A plus A inverse into I is equal to 0. Implies, as you know that by definition of inverse of a square matrix, note that AB is equal to BA is equal to I can be written as A into A inverse is same as A inverse into A is equal to what? I into A minus 4 A inverse into A I plus A inverse into I means unit matrix, unit means 1 into A inverse, that is A inverse is equal to 0. I into A is the matrix, I is the unit matrix, after multiplication I into A is equal to A minus 4I, write as it is, plus A inverse is equal to 0. Rearrange, A inverse is equal to minus 4I goes to right side, plus 4I, plus A goes to right side, minus A. So A inverse is equal to 4I. I is the identity matrix. 4I means identity 1 0 0 1 minus A matrix, given matrix 2 3 1 2. Simplify. A inverse is equal to, by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 4 0 0 4 minus first row 2 3, second row 1 2. Therefore A inverse is equal to, simplify, 4 minus 2 2, 0 minus 3 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2 2. This is the inverse of a square matrix. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವ ಇದೇನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಇವೊಂದು ನೀವು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದು, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ by using that equation to find A inverse. Okay. Problem number 4, that is 5 mark question, important sum. For the matrix A, 3 cross 3 matrix, first row 1 1 1, second row 1 2 minus 3, third row 2 minus 1 3, show that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. Such type of problems already solved in matrices, okay, algebra of matrices. And hence find A inverse, and hence find A inverse means again using this equation to find inverse, A inverse. Now first part, to prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. Now here given data, let A is the matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 1 1, 1 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1 3. Okay. Now to find A cube. Now here first to find A square. A square is same as A into A. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Okay. A matrix ಏನಿದೆ? 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. This is A matrix into A. 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Then multiply those two matrices. ಎರಡನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ row by column. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 2. First row by second column. 1 into 1 1 1 into 2 2 1 into minus 1 minus 1. First row by third column. 1 into 1 1 1 into minus 3 1 into 3 plus 3. Take second row by first column. 1 into 1 1 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Second row by second column. 1 into 1 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Second row by third column. 1 into 1 1 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 into 3 9. Similarly, take third row by first column. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 3 into 2 6. Third row by second column. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 2 2 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then third row by third column. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 3 into 3 9. Okay. Then simplify. A square is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. 1 1 cancel 2 minus 3 plus 3 cancel 1 1 plus 2 3 3 minus 6 minus 3 1 plus 4 5 5 plus 3 8 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 minus 9 minus 14 2 minus 1 1 1 plus 6 7 2 2 cancel minus 3 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 9 14. This is A square matrix. Now to find A cube, therefore A cube is equal to, again A cube can be written as A square into A. That is equal to, what is A square? 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14. This is A square into A matrix. A matrix is given 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Okay. Then again multiply these two. ಎರಡನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Row by column. That is equal to first row by first column. 4 into 1 4 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2. First row by second column. 4 into 1 4 2 into 2 2 2 into 2 4 1 into minus 1 minus 1. First row by third column. 4 into 1 4 2 into minus 3 minus 6 1 into 3 plus 3. Take second row by first column. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3, then 8 into 1 plus 8, then minus 14 into 2 minus 28. Second row by second column. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3, 8 into 2 16 minus 3 plus 16, then minus 14 into minus 1 plus 14. Second row by third column. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3, 8 into minus 3 minus 24 minus 14 into 3 minus 14 3s are 42. Correct? Take third row by first column. 7 into 1 7 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 14 into 2 14 2s are 28. Third row by second column. 7 into 1 7 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 14 into minus 1 minus 14. Third row by third column. 7 into 1 7, right? Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 14 3s are 42. Then further simplify. A cube is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 4 plus 1 8 minus 1 7 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1, correct? Then minus 3 minus 28 plus 8 minus 20 minus 3 minus 23. 14 minus 3 11 11 plus 16 27 minus 3 minus 24 minus 27 minus 27 minus 42 6 9 So 6, 9, that is 69 minus 69, correct? Correct ala? Okay. 7 minus 3, 4, 4 plus 28, 32, 7 minus 6, 1, 1 minus 14 minus 13, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 add ಮಾಡಿ 8, 58. This is A cube. Then take LHS. A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0 matrix. Substituting the value. What is A cube? 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58. This is A cube. Minus 6A square. A square matrix. First row 4, 2, 1. Minus 3, 8 minus 14. 7 minus 3, 14. Plus 5A. A matrix. Given data. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. This is A. Plus 11I. I means identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It depends upon the given matrix. I matrix ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ matrix 3 cross 3 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. Then simplify. Is equal to matrix 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58 minus by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 6. 6 4s are 24, 12, 6 minus 18, 6 8s are 48, 14 6 are 84, 6 7s are 42, minus 18, then 84. Plus, again by scalar multiplication 5, 5, 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 15, 10 minus 5, 15. Plus, multiply each element by 11, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. Okay, observe it. All the matrices having same order. By adding and subtracting the corresponding elements, 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11. Next corresponding element 7 minus 12 plus 5 plus 0. Next corresponding element 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 0. First row over. Second row, minus 23, minus into minus plus 18, plus 5, plus 0, then 27, minus 48, plus 10, plus 11. Correct? Next, minus 69, minus into minus plus 84, plus into minus minus 15, plus 0. Take third line, 32 minus 42 plus 10 plus 0. Next, minus 13 minus into minus plus 18 plus into minus minus 5 plus 0. Then 58 minus 84 plus 15 plus 11. Simplify. 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 11, 24, minus 24, 0, 7 plus 5, 12 minus 12, 0, 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 5, 0, 18 plus 5, 23 minus 23, 0, 27 plus 10, 37, plus 11, 48 minus 48, 0, minus 69 minus 15 minus 84 plus 84, 0, 32 plus 10, 42 minus 42, 0, minus 13 minus 5 minus 18 plus 18, 0, then 58 plus 15, how much? That is 63 plus 11, 84 minus 84, 0. Observe it. all the elements are 0, that is known as 0 matrix denoted by 0, that is equal to RHS. So first part is over. First part over. Therefore, therefore a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. First part is over. Using this, using that equation to find find A inverse. To find A inverse. How to solve? Multiply. Solve multiply equation 1 by A inverse. Multiply given equation by A inverse. A inverse into A cube minus 6A inverse into A square plus 5A inverse into A plus 11A inverse into I is equal to 0. Implies A inverse into A cube is same as A into A square. Bariboda minus 6A inverse A square is same as A into A. Right? Plus 5A inverse into A as it is plus 11A inverse into I as it is equal to 0. Implies A inverse into A using the definition of inverse matrix, that is I into A square minus 6. Again A inverse into A is I into A plus 5A inverse into A, that is nothing but I plus 11 A inverse into I means unit matrix, unit into A inverse is equal to 0. Again I is unit matrix, I into A square minus 6 I into A, I is unit matrix into A plus 5I as it is plus 11 A inverse is equal to 0. Okay, therefore rearrange 11A inverse is equal to, take this one, 11A inverse is equal to minus 6A goes to right side plus 6A, A square goes to right side minus A square, 5I goes to right side minus 5I. Okay, now therefore A inverse is equal to, divide by 11, 1 by 11 into 6A minus A square minus 5I. Now substituting the value for all values. All values and substitute marta hogoni. Okay? This idea bantala idu. First A square solve madbeku. A cube. Then take LHS. Substitute all values till you get 0 matrix. Okay? E type ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ already in algebra of matrices. Okay? Now here to find A inverse, so A inverse is equal to 1 divided by 11 into 6A. 6 into A matrix. A matrix is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Howda? Next to minus A square. A square matrix 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14. Idu enaitu A square. Minus 5I. I is identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Simplify. So A inverse is equal to 1 divided by 11 into, multiply each element by 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12 minus 18, 12 minus 6, 18, minus A square as it is 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. minus by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 5, 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Okay. Now observe it, all the matrices having same order, all are 3 cross 3 matrix. So by definition of subtracting the corresponding elements, 1 by 11 into subtracting the corresponding elements, 6 minus 4 minus 5, next corresponding element 6 minus 2 minus 0, corresponding element 6 minus 1 minus 0, second line 6 minus of minus plus 3 minus 0, 12 minus 8 minus 5 minus 18 minus into minus plus 14 minus 0, third line 12 minus 7 minus 0 minus 6 minus into minus plus 3 minus 0, 18 minus 14 minus 5. So that is 1 by 11 into A inverse is equal to 6 minus 4 1, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 1 5, 6 plus 3 9, 12 minus 8 how much 5, 12 minus 8 4, 4 minus 5 minus 1, minus 18 plus 14 minus 4, 12 minus 7 5, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 18 minus 14 4, 4 minus 5 minus 1. So this is A inverse, 5 mark. Okay, first equation prove madkondo, using that equation to find the inverse of a matrix. Idea bantala idu correct agi main sign important, correct agi ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಗಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Okay, problem number 5. If A is the matrix of order 2 cross 2, find the number A and B such that A square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix. Now here first to find out A square ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So that to find A square is same as A into A. ಹೌದಾ? A matrix ಏನಿದೆ? 3 2 1 1 into same matrix 3 2 1 1. Now multiply those two matrices, row by column. 3 into 3 9, 2 ones are 2, right? First row by second column 6 plus, second row by first column 3 plus 1, second row by second column 2 plus 1. So A square is equal to 9 plus 2 11, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3. Since given data, since equation given, that is A square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0. Howda? Substituting the values. What is A square? A square matrix 11 8 4 3 plus A into A matrix, first row 3 2, second row 1 1, plus B. I is the identity matrix. What is identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. It depends upon the given matrix. Since the given matrix A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, take I is the unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. Okay, is equal to 0. Simplify. So 11 8 4 3 by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 3, each element by A, 3A 2A 1A 1A, A into 3 3A, A into 2 2A, A into 1A, A into 1A. Again by scalar multiplication, B 0 0 B is equal to 0, right? Observe it in left hand side, all the matrices having same order. By definition of addition of the matrix, adding the corresponding elements, 11 plus 3A plus B. Here 8 plus 2A plus 0. Second line 4 plus A plus 0. Here 3 plus A plus B. is equal to 0. 0 can be written as, that is 0 matrix. All the elements are 0, that is known as 0 matrix, right? Okay. Now further simplify. 11 plus 3 plus a, now that is as it is. Now observe it. Here left hand side it is 2 cross 2 matrix, right hand side is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Clearly those two matrices having same order are said to be equal, therefore corresponding elements are equal. 11 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Then 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. 4 plus a is equal to 0. 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Correct? Now here 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. Simplify. This implies 2a is equal to, plus 8 goes to right side, minus 8. Divide by 2. A is equal to minus 8 divided by 2, that is minus 4. Therefore a value is, find the number, a value minus 4. To find b, put a is equal to minus 4 in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 gives 11 plus 3a, a value is minus 4, plus b is equal to 0. 11 plus into minus 3 4s are 12, plus b is equal to 0. 11 minus 12 minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. Therefore b is equal to, minus 1 goes to right side, plus 1. So a value minus 4, b value 1. Clear? Artha aitala idu? Find the number a and b such that a square plus a into a plus b into I is equal to 0. First to find a square solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A square can be written as a into a. ಎರಡು matrix multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. It will get the value of a square. Then take the equation, substituting the all values. Then go on simplify. Apply equality of two matrices and equating the corresponding elements. It will get the value of a as well as b. A value minus 4, b value 1. Clear? Problem. If A and B are invertible matrices of same order, that is n cross n. A is a matrix of order n cross n. B is also a matrix of order n cross n. Then prove that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. E type problem one solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. But all A matrix, B matrix, that is given. Elements are given. But here there is no elements. Now to prove general ಆಗಿ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to prove this? Now here by definition of inverse matrix. By definition of inverse matrix. By definition of inverse matrix. See, you know that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Then if this condition is satisfied, then A and B are called inverse of each other. That is AB is equal to I means A is inverse of B. A is equal to B inverse. BA is equal to I means B is inverse of A. Note that A into A inverse is same as A inverse into A is equal to I. That is A into A inverse is equal to I. A inverse into A is equal to I. Okay. Now here instead of one element, here there are two elements. So by definition of inverse matrix, how to write? A into A inverse. A andre yavudi ille? AB into AB inverse. Yakandre illi ಎರಡು element ಇದೆ. Put AB is equal to capital A. ಹೌದಾ? So by definition of inverse matrix, A into A inverse, that is same as A inverse into A is equal to I. A andre yavudi ille? AB into AB inverse is same as AB inverse into AB is equal to I. Right? Equation 1. Now to prove that AB whole inverse. Now operate, multiply equation 1 by A inverse. Operate A inverse on both sides. See what happened? A inverse into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse into I. Right? Now by associative property, interchange the bracket. A inverse into A into B into AB inverse is equal to A inverse into I. Right? Implies. But A inverse into A, that is I. into B of AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse into I. But I into B, I is identity matrix into B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ B of AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse into I, that is A inverse because A inverse into I is unit matrix, A inverse into unit matrix is unit matrix. Now this is by associative property, associative law. Associative property. I into B is B into AB inverse is equal to A inverse into I is A inverse. Okay. Now call it as equation 2. Again multiply, eliminate B, so that multiply equation 2 by B inverse. B eliminate madbekadre by taking its inverse. See what happened? B inverse into B of AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Operate on left side by B inverse. This implies, but B inverse into B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I into AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Correct? Okay. Because B inverse into B is equal to unit matrix I. I is unit matrix into AB inverse. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. 3 mark question. I think that question was asked in 2-3 years back in your question paper. That problem was asked. Okay. Prove that AB whole inverse is equal to reverse B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Now based on the adjoint of matrix and inverse matrix, one CET question, KCET. Let A be a non-singular square matrix. A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to 4 options. Determinant of A square, determinant of A cube, 3 times determinant of A. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ the formula. We know that A is a square matrix of order in general n cross n. Then remember that formula, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1, where n is the order of the matrix. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A is a non-singular square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Order ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನ 3 cross 3. So put n is equal to 3. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ order 2 cross 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, put n is equal to 2. Then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n value 3 minus 1. In general n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. That is equal to determinant of A 3 minus 1 2. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ determinant of adjoint of A, determinant of adjoint of A value, determinant of A to the power of 2. So option B option. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A is a square matrix of order n cross n. Then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to, remember, determinant of A to the power of n minus 1, that n indicate order of the matrix. Okay, here 3 cross 3 matrix given, then put n is equal to 3, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power of n value 3 minus 1, that is determinant of A to the power of 2. So option B is the right answer. That question was asked in KCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET. Okay, so this completes inverse of a square matrix. So one more result in this topic, that is solutions of system of linear equations by using matrices, that is matrix method. Okay, so one more result is there. Now that result we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.